In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly undo any accidental deletions in Monday.com. We all have those moments where we delete something by mistake and find ourselves panicking, wondering how to restore it. With Monday.com, there's a simple solution, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. To start off, open your web browser and go to Monday.com. Once you're on the homepage, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. Here you'll see the login button. Click on that and it will take you to the login page. Now, if you prefer a quick access option, you can sign in using Google. This feature conveniently links your Google email, saving you a bit of time. Alternatively, you can manually input the email address you plan on using for this session. Once you're signed in and on your Monday.com dashboard, let's say you've just realized that you accidentally deleted a row or some crucial data from one of your boards. This is where the real magic happens. Don't worry, because at the top of your screen, you'll notice a green pop-up notification. This pivotal alert is there to inform you about the deletion, ensuring you're aware of the recent action. Here's the part where undoing the deletion becomes as easy as pie. Right beside that notification, you'll find a button labeled Undo. It's vital to note this small yet significant button because it's the key to restoring your deleted data. Simply click on it, and voila. Your previously deleted task or item will be restored to its original place, just as if nothing ever happened. Isn't it amazing how you can reverse such actions with a single click? This feature is a true time saver in Monday.com, allowing you to confidently make changes, knowing there's always an easy way to backtrack if needed. Additionally, I recommend periodically reviewing your pop-up notifications to ensure you're up to date with all changes happening within your boards. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, the next time you find yourself in a pinch on Monday.com, just recall this simple process, and you'll have your data back in no time. If you liked this tutorial and found it helpful, feel free to check out more of our guides where we simplify and demystify various digital tools for you. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. If you have any questions or topics you'd like for us to cover, drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated on our new releases. Have a great day and happy organising on Monday.com.